Hello everyone, welcome back to GeoCAD Chronicles. Previously we saw how to symbolize points, polygons using single points. So right now we are going to look at symbolizing again points, lines and polygon, but using categorized symbols. So to start with, we can see that I have my points here. So I don't have much in my attribute table. As you can see when I open it, I only have the ID and the name. I didn't put the date and the distance, the XYZ. Though if you have it there, it's okay. I right click on my points. I'm beginning with points, then properties. So under properties, I go to symbology here. So at the top there we have single symbols. So we have already looked at this. So right now we switch to categorized symbols. So categorized. So basically categorizing is in categorizing or categorized symbology, we are using the data in the attribute table to symbolize each symbol here. The data in the attribute table to symbolize our features, vector data we have. So I go to properties, symbology, I go to categorized. So that's why we see here they are telling me to select a value. So values, you can see that these are the columns or the data fields I have in my attribute table. Although these are empty, so I only have two here, name and ID. So I select ID, then I can click here classify. So we can see that I have approximately about 15 points. So these points are going to come in this symbol, which is here. Though I can also decide to change this symbol. I can just click on it like this. Then they bring me this window. So I select any symbol I want from here. After selecting it, I say OK. So we can see that it has changed. So I can also make some adjustment on the simple marker here by selecting one of these and adjusting through this. So we have already looked at adjusting or modifying, customizing these designs in a single symbol in the previous tutorials. So I'm going to go into that since we looked into that. So I close it. After classifying, I say apply. So I give it some minutes. My piece is starting to become slow. I don't know why. So we can see that they have changed. So again I click on points, properties. So since I'm in symbology, categorize the symbols. So these are the symbols here. So in case there are some symbols I don't want to come here, I can just click on the symbol, then I click on this minus sign, I remove it like that. I remove that, and then I say apply. So I'm only going to have these colors here. So I'm done. It's becoming slow nowadays. So it's done. So these are the symbols we remain with. So again back to our symbology. If I'm not okay with the ID, I can switch to name. Then I say classify. They are prompting me that they are going to delete these previous classifications. I say yes. Then these are the names I have. Then I say apply. So I can also, if like let me say that I don't want the blue color on this name, I can just double click on it. Since I don't want a blue color there, I want something like this, and just then I say okay. Then okay, so we can see that it has changed here. So I can easily also customize this by just double clicking there, customize this, make adjustments to this as we saw in our previous videos, how to adjust, make changes to this. Then after making them, I say okay. So and these are the values that will appear in our legends here. So I can rename them from here if that's not the name I want to appear in my legend. So let me not go into that. So basically that's it. If I want to change the color ramp, this is already predefined color ramp, so I can also come here to random colors and make any adjustments in the color ramp. So we saw how to use color ramps previously. I'm not going to go deep into that. So like that is okay. So I have selected color brewer ramp, something like this. So if I'm not okay with it, I click on this, then I come here and I select color brewer ramp scheme type. So you can adjust from here any type you want. Let's say that it's okay. So we can click this downward arrow to go back to our color ramps and create new. Then we select from this. So we saw how to use color ramps previously. So then I say apply. So this piece is becoming slow nowadays. Basically that's it. So now I'm going to go to my polygons. So when I go into this, so let me go to lines still. So under lines, open my attribute. You can see that under lines I have only ID. I didn't put fields in these others. So I want to use only ID. So I right click this, I go to properties. Under properties, symbology, categorized, then value, I select the ID, then symbol, I click on it. I have a simple line here, so I can choose to have this line type. And then for the color, okay, let me leave it in black. Then I say okay, and then I say classify. So when I say classify, we can see that we have some different colors here. So I selected the color ramp I want to use, create new color ramp. It means not random, catalog color brewer. So I select okay, spectral. It's okay, let me select that, then I say apply. So we can see that this has changed, so we can again make further editing in that. I right click on the properties, and then symbology, categorized. Then for the symbol I click on it. So if I want to increase on the length, I can just this is for general increasing on all width for the whatever. So if I want to only make adjustments on line 1, I click on line 1, I reduce it to that. I say okay. So you can see that for line 1 it has reduced, and also make adjustments on this. So by making adjustments from this, I'm targeting the general features. By making adjustments on any of this, I'm only targeting that feature there. So I say apply, then I say okay. So we can see that this has changed. And so it's the same for the polygons. I click on my polygon layer, open attribute. Now in the attribute I have the name, I have the ID, the name, and the area here. So under there I close this, then I open properties. Under properties I go to symbology, then symbology I choose categorized. So under categorized, I have to select a field. Let me select ID. Select my color ramp. Let me select this. I say classify. These are the color fields I have. So I can see that some symbols here, like this one, they have some like 2-3 colors, like now we can see. So we go back to symbology, and that's because we in down symbology we selected what this field we have has a graduated field. So we can choose to remove this and we remain with a simple fill, a solid color for the simple fill style. If not, we can choose to have this dashes there, then we say okay. So we say apply. So we can see that we have only a simple field, but the style has changed to lines. So if I'm not okay with that, I can let me first change this symbology type. I go to simple fill, then I have this as a solid color. I say okay. So I can change the color ramp, changing the color ramp to NA. So wait a bit, it's coming. Select this, I'm choosing randomly, then I say apply. So we can see that this has changed. So if I want to use a different field, like now I use the ID, I can choose to name, I can choose to use a name, then I say classify again. So when I say classify, I say yes here, then they are using this as the classification fields, then I say okay. So I say apply, so we can see. So guys, that's how we use the categorized symbology method for symbolizing our vector data. Any questions, leave them in the comment section. You can like and subscribe for more.